People of the internet, I come to you bearing a go-to-market strategy in less than 10 minutes, and I prepared for this. You can see I prepared because I got my shirt wet because I just put stuff in my hair. All right, today we're going to do a whole go-to-market strategy in less than 10 minutes for a company. I did a little bit of prep work. I kind of cheated, but I think you're going to love it. I'm very proud of myself because I'm here in a black box. All right. So today we're going to do this for Produx AI, and let's just kind of read about this so you have some understanding about what they do. Turn your customer voice into strategic product decisions, right? Critical product decisions. So clearly the product team is who they're selling to. So what I did is I used ChatGPT. I used Blueprint GPT, this little GPT that I invented. And I identified keywords that might appear in job descriptions in my data agile method, data analyst, right? And I said, I just want the product team. I want there to be C-suite to senior. I want the United States, and I'm looking for, I don't want B2C or D2C. I want B2B, B2B, or business. I probably should include business, but so now we have a list of product managers, B2B SaaS products, user engagement, customer feedback, right? This is intent, right? We've got 4,300 jobs. So what I did is I just downloaded those jobs here from my database. We have, how many companies do we have? 1,799 companies, a lot of companies. How many jobs? We have almost 4,000. Oh, 4,000 jobs on the nose. I went over to my favorite app here, ocean.io, and I said I only want 11 to 50 to 500, generally early stage startups sell in this mid-market range. So I didn't do anything fancy. I got 2,500 contacts, but this is boring, right? The real question is, what am I going to say to them? Well, I'm going to bring this into Clay, and you can take a company name, so our company domain, and let's just label this here, Blueprint GTM. Always a good opportunity to do some branding. Product. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, one of the things that product managers care about is their reviews. They care about what people are saying about their product. So I brought this into Clay, and I said, and I just use Itemize, which is one of the domains here from the company. So I think towards the top here would be best because these are the people. Let's just go to the very beginning. So great. So Walmart marketing, obviously too big of a company, but 92 jobs, right, that mention products, that mention roadmap, product feedback. And they have mentioned roadmap, product feedback 391 times. This is a good fit for them if they weren't so big. So really we're looking for a smaller company, right? So like, okay, this company, right, 1 to 10 people in construction, and they are like all up on this product roadmap. So relative to size, this is our product board, right? Perfect. 9 people mention B2B SaaS roadmap feedback 52 times. So that would be a good example of a company we should go after. So I just pasted in their URL here for a company I'm targeting, and I use the Zenrose integration inside of Clay. And all it did, it grabbed all of the G2 reviews. Then what I did is I summarized the G2 reviews for them. So I can send a cold email that, and I also pulled one other thing. I pulled the start date. So I can say, let's see, summary of your count of reviews. Hey, David, not too sure if you know this, since you've been at product at company for time, but here is a summary of all of your G2 reviews. Pros. I'm still working on it, but I'll do Capterra next. Then hopefully not sure if this is useful to you. Oh. Yeah, Jordan. There you go. This is a message. All I'm doing is just delivering value. I'm just summarizing data from the internet. So now we know they care. So we know they care about this based on the jobs found. We know that they're like probably mid-market, which is, they're mid-market. So we got the leads for the mid-market. So all you have to do now is pass this into Clay. There's 2,400 leads. Pass this into Clay, summarize the G2 reviews, send off G2 reviews, and then I didn't solve this part, but then do it again for Capterra. So you see now how you can take the internet and deliver programmatic value to people. And this is a message that is, Dave's not going to be like, why did you send me this message about all of my reviews in the, all of my reviews in the summary? That's so rude of you. That's not going to happen. Dave's going to be like, hey, yeah, I know I've been here for a while, but this is really helpful. And GPT 3.5 did a good job. It's pretty cheap, right? Easy to use, helps with budgeting, like not available in Latin American. And I just said, give me the pros and cons. Now, I did ask ChatGPT, what else might a like product person need to know? So I can even change this, and I can say something fancier like, I'm sending an email to a VP of product, and here are all the recent reviews. Can you tell them everything that they might want to know about these reviews? And I've given you some examples below. So those are the reviews, but like I can just paste in ChatGPT. This might be crazy. I have no idea if this will work. But this is where you can use ChatGPT. Like, okay, I don't know anything about being a product manager. So let's see how well this works. This might be insane. But GPT 3.5 has a much bigger context window. So easily track managed expenses. There are no direct competitors. Most customers seem to have their expectations met. Customers use the app to track, like, there are very few recurring issues. Yeah. So you can kind of see how you can, there are no clear unmet needs or gaps in the market. Here's the other thing. I can go find these guys' competitors. And next week, I can go find the competitors of Itemize and do the same thing. Jordan, not only do you want reviews of what you do, but you want to know market analysis. So let me summarize the reviews of your competitors. This is what good cold email looks like. And if I can do this in 8 minutes, why aren't you sending this stuff now? All right. I think I am connected with someone at this company, Tom, I think. Tony Tom. So, Tony, if you want, I'm happy to send you off all of these leads on me. Thanks for being an uninvited but hopefully willing guinea pig for my 8-minute go-to-market extravaganza. Have a wonderful, wonderful Friday. Bye.